Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. Today I will show you how to set up organization and facility. This video is going to show you how to add an organization and adjust the facility. First, you need to log in. You can go to Settings, then Organization. Right here, as a system default, the client name or the customer is listed as the default customer. If you want to change it, you can just click on Edit. Then right here you can change it to whatever name you prefer. The same applies to the customer code. For the customer code, this is the code you're going to need when you're uploading your items or your inventory. On the right-hand side, you can see this client. If the customer is the owner of this account, there's also titles like supplier, brand, retailer, and tenant. Basic users are only allowed to add one client, one customer, and unlimited titles and suppliers. For titles and suppliers, you can use these to control the vendor. For example, if you're doing business with Costco, you can set up Costco as a title. Whatever shipment comes in, you can receive it under this title. When it's shipped out, you can ship from this specific title to control the inventory. The same applies to suppliers, brands, and retailers. If you want to add a new one, just click on Advanced Mode. Here you can see all the different settings. To add a new title, click on Add Organization, then Title. Import the name, put down the contact information, and save. If you want to change the address or name of your facility, go to Company and then Facility Management. Scroll to the right and click on Edit. You can change the name of the facility, whether it's physical or virtual. Then click Update to get this updated. You need to log out and then log back in again for the changes to take effect. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.